got 200 names up there. By the end of the day, there'll only be one. And that driver will face me and have a chance to win $10,000. Let's race.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's winner goes up against Trip Perfect tomorrow.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let me hear you say, hey, yo, hey, yo. What a day. The real wild card here is the enigmatic racer known only as Max. Questions abound. Who is Max? Where did he come from? What's with the helmet?